All right, guys, so we're looking at the Pegasus W3662. This is an automatic under trimming cylinder bed cover stitch. What we're going to do is just going to show you a couple of the highlights, just standard setup between standard features between on a cover stitch. So we're going to flip open the cover. We're going to flip open this side cover, and once we do that, we'll see this little button right here. Okay, this is your stitch length dial or your button. So if you wanted to change the length of each stitch, either bigger or smaller, I'm going to show you quickly how to go ahead and change that size. So we're going to push down on this button. You can see that it doesn't go down all the way. So while we're holding this down, okay, my right hand is going to be turning this little hand wheel right here on the right side. Okay, we see the letters and the numbers if we keep on turning. Of course, the cover stitch spins away from you. Right there, and while we're holding down the button and we're turning this, that button will sink in. So right here, we sink in, you can see that the button is, the little icon is set at 3.5. So that's 3.5 millimeters per stitch, okay? So while that button is depressed, we can go ahead and turn. You'll feel a little friction on here, okay, to change the stitch length to, let's say, 4 millimeters. Or if you needed it smaller, we're gonna go ahead and crank it down while the button is depressed until we get our new setting. Let's say we want 3 millimeters. Once we have the desired stitch length, we're gonna go ahead and release this button. Okay, so that's how to change out the stitch length on your cover stitch machine. Okay, right here on this right side, this is your feed dog control, your differential feed control. So you have a front feed dog and a back feed dog. Okay, so standard is you want both of them to feed at the same speed. But certain cases, if you want that gathering look or give it a stretched look, then that's where you would make this adjustment here. Okay, so you have a thumb dial. If we loosen up the thumb dial, okay, this is spring loaded. Okay, so from here we could go ahead and find our desired feed ratio and then lock it in. Okay. So the more higher that you go, if you look right here on the left side, you can see little numbers etched onto this little lip. Okay, and you have the little indicator line. Okay, so that tells us what value that we are currently on. So right now we set it to 4. Just to show you what it does, if I turn this by hand, right now what's going on is the feed dog, the front feed dog is coming up, and it's traveling faster, so it's kind of giving it a cringing kind of effect. So it's squishing the fabric together before the needle comes in, obviously giving you that gathering look. Okay, if I loosen up this screw and I let it drop all the way down, that is giving it a pull effect. So as it comes back, as it comes up, the back one extends out a little faster, giving it a pull before the needles come out. Okay, if you're not sure which one, if you go to the second notch up, so wherever the neutral is, wherever the home position is, you go one notch up, that is pretty much your neutral zone. So both feed dogs are rotating at the same speed. Okay, this is similar to like a overlock serger, cover stitch. It kind of follows the same concept. You go one notch from the home position, and then that'll be your neutral, your 0 point, if you had to call it something. Okay. New feature on this one is this the bottom looper cam section. Before, it used to be right here on the back side of the machine. They changed it right here to the front for easy access. You're not fighting back here trying to get the thread in. If there's any type of thread jam, you don't have to worry about getting in there or calling a technician. It's a pretty standard adjustment. Okay, so easy access right here on the front side. Thread it, take out whatever thread you need, and then just lock it right back in. Okay, and everything gets protected with the front cover. Okay, so just wanted to go over a couple of the highlights on the current model cylinder bed machine, the W3662. This is an automatic with a under trimmer and automatic foot lifting. Okay, so I hope this video helps.